Dope or no? Hey everybody, I'm Actress, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and sneakers. And today, we're gonna do another Dope or No. If you're new to this channel, Dope or No is this little segment that I like to do that covers future sneaker releases, and we're gonna decide whether the sneakers are dope or nope. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, our first sneaker on this list is the Jordan 3 Cool Grays. This is another cool gray release. Our first one was, of course, the Jordan 4 Cool Grays. So this one has a similar color scheme. We have a lot of multiple different types of shades of gray on the sneaker. So the materials used in the sneaker, it looks like it's just going to be leather, as well as subtle hints of yellow. And of course, suede for like the elephant print. This sneaker is planned to release on February 20th with the retail price of $190. Do I think these sneakers are going to sell out? The Jordan 4 Cool Grays did, but not at first. So I will think these things will sell out, just so take a little bit of time. And my final verdict on these sneakers, well, I really did like the Jordan 4 Cool Grays, and these ones are also awesome, so I'm gonna have to say dope. Now for a Yeezy release on this list, wow, that's pretty rare. There's actually gonna be 3 of them actually on this list, but the first one is the Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost Ashtones. Wow, cool, another 350. Does it look like trash? Oh, it does. All right, let's go over this sneaker real quick. Okay, so the Ashtone, yeah, it was teased far back as October. Has a lot of weird colors, like, I can't even describe them. They look like all faded blue, red, and tan. The materials used in the sneakers probably be something basic like Prime Knit and Boost. And this sneaker is going to release on February 20th with the retail price of $220. I would not pay that much for these sneakers. Will they sell out? Maybe, because they're Yeezys. Alright, but these are not really good looking Yeezys. And like my final verdict of the sneaker, you could probably tell it's no. Alright, now swinging back to Jordans, we have the Air Jordan 4 Taupe. These sneakers look like if Travis Scott made another pair of Jordan 4s. The sneaker looks like it to be styled in all hazel uppers with kind of like a black trim with some white on the heel and a little red Jumpman to add some flair. The sneaker's material says it's going to be a tonal non-leather upper. The sneaker is going to release on February 27th with the retail price of $200. Will I think these sneakers sell out? Yeah, probably. I mean, with any kind of sort of hype sneakers, they just tend to sell out so quick, and it's so hard nowadays to get your hands on a pair of sneakers. And my final verdict on the sneaker, well, it's been a long time since I've seen a Jordan 4 like this that is this clean release, so I'm gonna have to say dope. Our next sneaker is an all-star weekend shoe. We have the Air Jordan 1 Mid Carbon Fiber. Carbon fiber is a material that we love seeing on a Jordan 1, and now we're getting a Jordan 1 themed by it. Only exception is, I don't think there's any carbon fiber even on this shoe. I mean, there's carbon fiber pattern on it, but it doesn't look like there's actually carbon fiber on it. Like, is that actual carbon fiber? I don't know. It looks like just patent leather. Anyways, these sneakers are going to be styled in white and black with Chicago color blocking. Pretty dope, and I also like what they're doing with the Jordan logo on the top. Normally people don't like the look of the Jumpman on the tongue, but this time they actually did a good job. I like how they did it. Anyway, since we went over the materials of the sneaker, I'm just going to go ahead and say these sneakers are going to release on February something. I don't know when. And with the retail price of non-available, but I would assume probably around $120. Will these sneakers sell out? Yeah, probably. This is a really nice addition of a Jordan 1 mid. I'm starting to like how they give more focus on Jordan 1 mids and starting to make them cool. Some people don't agree with me and still say they hate mids, but I think they're kind of cool now. And if this one actually has carbon fiber, that would be even more dope. Anyways, my final opinion of the sneaker, yeah, dope. Next is our second Yeezy 350 release. It's the Ash Blue. Another Ash sneaker, but this one is slightly better than the other one. This one looks like to be styled in very faded blue with this yellow strip coming down from the side of it. Materials used looks like just regular Prime Knit and Yeezy Boost cushioning. The sneaker is planned to release on February 27th with the retail price of $220. Will these sneakers sell out? Maybe just because they're a Yeezy. No, because it's not a very good looking Yeezy. And that would conclude my final verdict for the sneaker. The sneaker is a definite no. I just not vibing with these Yeezys anymore. And just a friendly reminder, if you guys are enjoying the content so far, please like and share for that YouTube algorithm. And last, but certainly not least, subscribe. I have finally made it to monetization, and it's all thanks to you guys. I think I might make a thank you video in the future, who knows, but till then, let's just get back into the list. Our next sneaker on this list, we have the Air Jordan 12 Hyper Pink. This sneaker would be perfect to released on Valentine's Day, but it didn't. But yeah, here we have a Jordan 12 that is a girls exclusive sneaker. So the sneaker has a pretty good balance of pink and white. Has like a little light pink and a little darker hot pink trim. The materials used for the sneaker looks like it's going to be smooth white leather with some suede. It's going to be released on March 1st with the retail price of $120 because it's only grade school and preschool sizes. Will these sneakers sell out? Well, since it's only in grade school sizes and looks like only parents can buy their kids this sneaker, I would say not really. There's a good chance for these sneakers to sell out. And my final thoughts on the sneaker, well, obviously these sneakers are not for me, so nope. This one's a pretty cool collab we have next. So we have the Porter Yoshiko and Vans collab. If you don't know what Yoshida & Co is, it's pretty much a Japanese brand that makes accessories and bags. And now they're gonna make some Vans, which I think is a great idea because these sneakers are gonna be styled in the classic checkerboard style with this cool vibrant orange trim. Materials used for the sneaker looks like some are going to be made with canvas and some are going to be made with suede. These sneakers are going to release on February 20th with the retail price of, $115. Will I think these sneakers sell out? Yeah, probably. Vans collabs normally go really hard. And my final verdict of these sneakers? Well, I actually think they're pretty damn dope. And our last sneaker on this list, it's going to be a Yeezy. It's the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. For God's sakes, just make them easy to say. Alright, anyways, this sneaker is going to be styled in like this weird blue stripes on like the inner side of the sneaker. And then the outside is all this cream white and shades of gray. I don't know, it doesn't really vibe that well. Anyways, materials used for the sneaker is probably going to be more prime knit, some of that glow in the dark rubber. The sneaker looks like it's been released on February 20th with the retail price of $200. Will the sneaker sell out? If it's a Yeezy, then probably, which is stupid because ugly sneakers do not deserve to sell out. Anyhow, my final verdict of this sneaker, it's an absolute nope. Just for God's sake, just please, Kanye West, release something good again. We know you can do it. We know you have not gone completely bad shit. Alright, you can do it, sir. You can do it, but this one's going to be a nope. And that concludes our list of dope or nope. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.